Good morning students and parents. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will see literary work. In this we will see book 1, page number 9. In that we will learn how to write small letters. We will write, there will be a page in your book, page number 9, there will be a 4-line. Okay. So there are capital letters already mentioned in your book. We have to write small letters beside capital letters. Okay. So here there will be a 4-line. First line will be your red line. Then there will be, second line will be blue line. And then there will be again blue line. After that there will be a red line. So this is your 4-line. In that we will write small letters. Here we will write small a. Beside capital A, we will write small a. In this, between this blue line, like this. Okay. Now, this is capital B. Now we will start small b. We will start from first line and then we have to end at third line. This is small b. Now, in next, capital C. We have to write here small c. Okay, we will write between this blue line. Okay, between second and third line we have to write. Okay, now next is capital D. Here we will write a small d. Okay, we will start from up and then we have to write like this. This small d. Now, next capital E. We have to write here small e. Okay, we will write between this line, second and third line. Okay, this is small e. Now, next is F. Here we have to write small f. We have to start from first line, red line. We have to touch the line, third line, and then we have to write small line here. Okay. Now, here is capital G. Here we have to write small g. Okay. So, we have to start from second line. Then we have to touch the fourth line. Okay. Which is red in color. Okay. So, first of all, we have to write like this. And then we have to touch it and complete the G. Now, next is capital H. Now, here we have to write small h. We have to start from first line, red line. Then we have to write like this. Okay, this is small h. Now, this is capital I. We have to write small I. We will write between this blue lines. Write like this and we have to put dots here. Okay. Now, next is capital J. Here we will write small j. We will start from second line and then we will touch the fourth line. Okay. Write like this and we have to put dot here. Okay. Now, next is capital K. Here we have to write small k. We have to start from upper line, first line, and we have to end here and we have to write like this. We have to write like this k. Okay. Now, next is capital L. Here we will write small l. We have to start from first red line and we have to end here, third line. Okay. Now, this is capital M. Now, we will write small m here. We have to write between this blue line. Like this. Now, next is small capital N. We will write here small n. Like this. Between this blue line, second line and third line. Now this is O. We have to write small o in this. We have to write between these two blue lines. Small o. Now this is capital P. Now we have to write small p. We have to start from second line and then we have to touch the fourth line, that is red line. Okay. This is small p. Now the next is capital Q. Now we have to write small q. We have to start from second line, that is blue, and then we have to touch the fourth line, that is red. Okay. So we will write like this, capital Q. Small q, sorry. We have to say small q. This is capital R. We have to write small r between this two blue lines. Small r. Now, this is capital S. We have to write small s between this two blue lines. Okay, that is second and third line. Now, next is capital T. Now we will write small t here. We have to start from red line, that is our first line, and then we have to end it here on third line. Okay. Now next is capital U. Now we have to write small u between second line and third line. Okay. This is small u. Now this is capital V. Now we have to write small v between this second line and third line. Small v. Now this is W. Now we have to write it here between this two blue lines, second line and third line. We have to touch this line and write like this, W. Now this is X. We have to write between these two blue lines, small x. Now next is Y. Now we have to start from second line, that is blue, and then we have to touch the fourth line, that is red. Now we have to write small y. Like this you can write. Now this is Z. We have to write between these two blue lines. Like this. Now students, I hope you understood all this thing. You can also write in your book in the same way in your book. Okay students? Thank you students and parents. Stay safe at home.